Hey. Oh, my knee. Oh, my elbow. A little bit of my ass. Come on, guys. Is this for me? Are we rolling? Okay. Oh, it's got two little cute cup holders here. Okay. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to another sneaker review video for you guys. Oh my God. Thank you to all the subscribers. I am already past 600. Can't wait to reach 605. And it's kind of cold. Can I turn on the... Actually, I don't think this... Woo! Yeah, what do we got? What do we got? A very big bag for a very big box. I don't like this audio. We're not cutting this? What do we got? Ooh, a big bag and a big Nike beautiful sexy box. Carefully slide that away. This audio is not working, it's too echoey here. But you know, I'm cheap, I don't have a mic. I'm never gonna buy a mic. Oh my God, this is the Nike Dunk Low Retro. Size 10 and a half, oh my God. Made in Vietnam, not very excited. Color code DD double D's 1391100 white, black, dash, white. Panda, aka Panda, black and white, Nike Dunk Lows. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm not very excited. You know why? Because I'm a size 12 and this is not for me. This is actually my buddy's pair of new shoes. I actually helped sign up for the online raffle for him. And yeah, I can't believe that I won for him and I picked it up not long ago and I figured out, you know what? I haven't done a review video for a long time. I've been busy with full-time work, still doing the shoe stuff on the side. But yes, I wanted to do this quick video for you guys because I know a lot of y'all care about the Nike Dunk Lows, Nike Dunks in general. Very, very long history from Nike. You got that classic, oh God, my knee still hurts. The classic outsole, oh my God, the nice fake pleather leather. Say sorry to my buddy. I was just drinking coffee. I might have stained his insoles and inside tissue paper. Oh man. Look at this. I can't really say much about this pair of shoes except that I'm very happy that I helped him win this. He has not really won a lot of shoes from raffles. And this year has been very, very tricky for all of us. But he got this. And oh my God, on him touching it with my dirty fingerprints. Anyways, all right, let me do a nice music video for you guys. Some awesome free YouTube music video for you guys. As you can see, I haven't been doing videos for a while, so I am out of the loop. Is there the receipt? Nike store. You guys are like, this is fake. This is not legit. Check this out. The freaking official receipt that he has not paid me back yet. What? He already e-transferred to me? He even gave me a $2.60 tip. By the way, size 10 and a half. My buddy is black. Size 10 and a half. I'm Asian. I wear size 12. Black. 10 and a half. Asian size 12. What? Cut the bullshit and just get to the music video? You got it, boss.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis coming.
Do I look convincing? Dude, it's actually hot. It's not fake. Come on, guys. Oh, let's wrap this video up. By the way, Canadian retail $145 plus tax. Oh man, let's wrap this video up. Yeah, thumbs up, you guys. Oh man, this video better be good because if I start losing subscribers, I'm gonna give you a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this pair of shoes. Did you actually get this? Do you like Nike Dunk? Hey, I'm not struggling. It actually fits in the... that's all I wanted to do, is just put up a quick video for you guys so that you guys know that I'm still alive, even though I haven't shaved. I kind of got an okay, decent haircut. This fire is starting to burn my back, which is actually helping because I'm getting old, and my back, my thighs, and my knees, my ankles, elbows, they're actually hurting, and my neck. Oh, my film crew, sometimes they just like to put BS crap all over the floor, you know, just to pull a prank out of me. Bunch of idiots. Kind of like an early Santa Claus gift, you know. Let's just set this nice panda fire.